Have the
Okay.
best day ever, and I will have the best sleep in a couple hours.
Did you ever had a PK before me?
No, you're my first.
I'm fast. Oh goodness. So thank you.
Yes.
And
You're
I
so
would like to
sweet.
thank you. My pleasure. I would like to also introduce myself. I'm using this platform only a purpose. You know the
Mhm.
purpose? What is that? My
To
purpose.
make people smile.
Definitely, definitely, yeah. That's a big reason. I like to make people laugh, and even I like to make fun. Not only that, but also I'm learning English by using this platform. Okay, so
That's cool.
yeah, even in the future, I have a plan. Like you know that many people like to visit around the globe. So as well as if any people try to
Mhm.
come in my country for visiting, completely free. I wanted to be their interpreter,
Okay.
free because I have a Facebook page and YouTube channel also. So if they come here, I wanted to make a little video record if they allow me. So that will be free. And if they don't allow to make a video,
Oh,
so a little bit starts whatever they want to keep. Okay, doesn't care. But my intention is I want to be a good interpreter for the foreigners.
yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's so cool. I love that. Well, I wish you luck with that, and your English is great, by the way. You're doing awesome with it.
I
Has it
have
been hard to
yes,
learn English?
yeah.
Which
So
is your favorite accent?
oh, my favorite accent is a United States accent. British accent is
Really?
yeah, really. British accent is quite difficult. Like suppose you think, once I had a PK with the British, but they say money instead of money, but it's okay
Mhm.
because of
Yeah.
their accent. Money and money. Money is
Yeah.
American accent, and money is British accent. So it's really good fun to understand everything as well.
Yeah, definitely. The pronunciations of things are so weird. So weird in
Yeah,
English language for sure.
yeah,
I will agree with that. Our system is
yeah.
probably one of the hardest I would imagine to learn.
May I know what is your profession?
So right now, actually, I'm just a stay-at-home mom with my kid. I've been trying to find a job, but I haven't had any luck
Right now you
with
don't.
anything.
Yeah, right now you don't have job. So did you have job before?
Yeah, I did have a job before, but where we live, we don't have a lot of family around.
Yeah.
And childcare is just extremely expensive over here. It is so much money. So it made more sense for me to stay home and take care of my kid rather than hire someone to do it for me. And I'd be giving them my money anyway. You know what I mean? So I was like, we'll be good just me staying at home for a little bit till I find something that will work with me and my son. So really I want to try to find something that's work from home, and I discovered this app and I was like, you know what, let's just like get on it and see. You never know. And like I just like talking to really sweet cool people. I don't get a lot of interaction because I'm with my son. But so it's nice to get on here and just kind of talk to everyone and chat and just spread, positivity.
Oh yeah. So I really hope, I strongly believe that you're such a beautiful lady, and I hope you will have a better job in the future. And anyway, that's all I hope, and I do pray for you also.
Thank you. And I hope what you want to do with like your videos and all that, I hope that works out for you and you're just really great. And thank you for this. Thank you for telling me, like teaching me about this too. I would have honestly never taken the jump to do it if it wasn't for you. So
Yeah, but
I appreciate that.
but I see most of non-qualified girls or boys are earning huge money by using this application. But you are the more perfect, better than those people who are already achieved the veins or certain veins. So you will get more than
Yeah.
certain. You will get more than certain. That's all I hope. And hold fashions and give the little bit
Yeah.
time. See, you will gain your dreams.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you for the advice. I really appreciate it. There's a lot of scams these days, and you never know. So,
Really,
so that means a lot.
not only this is these states. Every single platform there are lots of scammer. Think about it, okay? What is
Oh
not?
yeah.
It's not
Oh
a.
yeah.
It's not a easy things to identify the people who is scammer, who are the real. But you will have to think it is completely
Oh,
depend on necessarily. See, you will accept everything as well.
oh, definitely. I had a job scam a couple weeks ago. And they were like, "Oh, it's a job for this amount of money." Like it was way too good to be true, you know? And I was like, this is weird. And I looked at the email associated with like the recruiter and like the job, and it was a fake email. I knew just by looking at it. I was like, ugh. But I didn't give out any information.
You know what? You know what?
I didn't give out information.
One thing I wanted to give you another information. Suppose you told me already that you don't have job. You are looking for a job. You are looking for a work. If any, I don't expect it is, but also it can happen. It can take place. Suppose one or two more scammer listen this voice that you don't have job, but you're looking for work. But they can target you like you don't have job. So if I send any email into this inbox or any other platform, whatever you use, it can be noticed to the scammer. Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Gotta watch what you say.
Yeah.
All right, well, guys,
Okay.
this was super fun. We'll definitely do this another time. But now I think I'm just gonna do my normal lives, and if you want to hang out and chat, that's really sweet. And we'll do this again, okay? This was fun.
Okay, for sure.
I really appreciate you.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
I'm really so appreciated and so thankfully just talking to you. And this is the morning time. I will have a good day only for you.
Good. Have the best day ever, and I will have the best sleep in a couple hours. Because it's nighttime where I am. So.
How lucky I am. Thank you so much for joining here. Hopefully you will have a better future, better job, better platform. You will be a speculative your account as soon as possible. I will help you whenever I will see your live broadcasting. I will share it is okay. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye. Cheers for now.
You're the best. Have a good one. Thank you.
Okay. Have a good one. Bye.